Hey guys, today we are going to be trying Spaceballs, organic cheddar, and Outer Planet pizza.
Try new things with Marianne. Try new things with Marianne. Try new things.
Lesser evil, simple acts, clean snacks, made with real cheese powder, real organic cheddar with organic avocado oil. This is non-GMO, verified, gluten-free, and clean, and part of the Clean Label Project Purity Award. And it's got Toy Stories on it. Very good serving for the calories. I think 130 calories gets you about 40 balls. 6 total fat, 220 milligrams of sodium, 18 total carb, 1 dietary fiber, and 2 grams of protein. And it says, feed the feeling, pause, breathe, smile, savor. Life yields joy when you follow your flavor. Take a moment. Can you hear your inner guru? Stay there for a while. See where it takes you. Practicing gratitude or pursuing your gift. Your purpose is within reach with one simple shift. When you go with your guru, life's journey gets clear. Cultivating joy is the reason we're here. So we're going to try these first, and then we're going to try these, and she's going to tell you a little bit more about this. Show you. Very, very, very light organic cheddar cheese. I can't taste the organic, but it is organic cheddar cheese. Very, very light flavor. The puff is really easy on your teeth. Very soft. It doesn't have too much of a flavor, I don't think.
No, it does not. I agree. But I love their packaging. I give them a 10 on their packaging.
I like that it's healthy. The taste isn't really there. I wanted to like it more. I love all the, the non-GMO, the gluten-free, the clean label. I wish it had more of a cheddar flavor. What do you think?
I agree.
What would you give it?
It definitely doesn't compare to what most cheese balls are. That you can taste the cheese in it. I don't know. As far as taste-wise, I'd have to give it a 2 because there's no taste there.
There really isn't much of a taste. The only thing it's got really going for it is the health benefits. Sometimes, like the regular cheese balls, like it gets me bloated and stuff. I feel like these are lighter and wouldn't do that, but the taste isn't there. I would get it just if I wanted a snack and wanted something healthier. But if you want something flavorful, I wouldn't get it again. Now she's going to tell you.
This made me really smile. I thought this was really cool. It says, in a galaxy not so far away, all snacks are organic, memorable processed and made with good fat. Back on Earth, we're bringing them to you. We're air puffed, organic corn balls, swirled with them with avocado oil for a taste delight.
All right. Hopefully this one will have more flavor. This is the pizza flavor one.
Right. Yes, this is the pizza flavor. I'll let you open it.
All right. Now, she gets more balls.
Yes, I do.
She gets 50 more. Well, not 50 more, but I got 40 for 130. She got 50 balls for 130. These are 6 grams of fat.
And hopefully there's some taste there.
Hopefully some taste. 135 milligrams of sodium. 18 carbs. 2 grams of protein. And hopefully, being pizza flavored, it will have a little more of a taste. And this is Toy Store too.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm happy because I wanted to like the other ones. I did. It's all healthy and everything. I really wanted to like them.
Yeah, that's...
This one is good. This one's got all that good for you stuff. You get more servings too, and it tastes good.
Yeah.
So I definitely would recommend this one.
I give it a 7. But I still would give their packaging and making me smile a 10.
I give these a 10. The other ones was a 2. These ones are flavorful.
And it does what it says.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe I should give it a little bit better than a 7. I'll give it an 8.5.
It's very good.
Yeah.
I can taste maybe like some basil or something. I don't know what the ingredients is, but there's some kind of like seasonings in it. It just says organic spices. But
Yeah, this I could see the more you eat them, the more you would go up on your score on them. So, because they do, at first you just, and the more you...
yeah, the more you eat, and
Eat
you
'em.
get 50 of them.
Yeah.
So,
And this would be great if you're kind of watching what you're doing and for watching TV or watching a movie.
and I don't think they would make you feel as bad as like the regular
Yeah.
cheese balls and stuff. These are good. I like them. I'm excited. I found a new snack. 10. Anything else?
No.
But yeah, pizza flavor, very light, very easy on your teeth. They're not, hard at all. They're like, really like air almost. Like it's really just, it's so good. Let us know, have you tried these? Would you try them? And until next time.
Subscribe.
Yes, please. Subscribe. Thank you. Bye.